Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you all are doing good. Hope you all are resonating with the readings. Do like the channel, do subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon so that you'll be notified as and when I bring videos. So I know you all must be smiling because the Kali deck is back. Now let's see what the card is going to come for today. Okay, Guya Kali. I would like to pick one, or maybe the last and the first I'll pick. Durga Kalika. A beautiful combination actually. Coming to Guya Kali, she is the one who has all the answers for everything that is happening in life. So if today she comes as a reading, it means she's going to give you some messages through maybe your third eye awakening, your intuition, or she will just tell you something. Some secrets may be revealed to you, or some intuitions may come to you which might guide you as to what you need to do. So don't dismiss them and follow it, because if she has come, then she has come to make you understand certain things which will, which you will be able to handle it in future, or even handle it today, but in a better way, in a mature way. And whenever she brings in something to you as a message, it is only for your good and only for your prosperity. And don't get worried or don't panic as to what it is that she brings, but she has some message for you. So follow your intuition or follow your inner feel and then go with it. Durga Kalika is a divine Kali's root, which is to enhance our spiritual journeys, to make us have faith in ourselves and to work on ourselves. And she also sometimes comes when there is justice needed. So basically here, whatever it is that you're battling in your life, whatever it is that you're going through of late, which is troubling you so much that you're not understanding what to do and how to go about, she is there to guide you, and she will intervene. She will come in between your ways, and she will see to it, whatever it is. You don't have to worry about it. You don't have to break your head with it. You don't have to see what is the solution. Surrender it to her, and she is going to intervene. She's going to use her third eye. She's going to use her energies, and she's going to see to it that you're out of it. So today, maybe wear the color yellow, because I feel yellow is needed, and chant this mantra. Actually, I remember in the book it was said 8 times or 11 times, but I would say chant this mantra 21 times, because I am feeling guided in that way. Om Dam Durgayai Namaha. Om Kreem Kalikayai Namaha. I repeat, Om Dam Durgayai Namaha. Om Kreem Kalikayai Namaha. If possible, as I said, wear yellow. If possible today, have some fruit in yellow, or offer her some prasad in yellow color, and then have that also after chanting 21 times. I'm sure whatever intervening she's going to do today is going to be for your betterment, and you will come out of your issues in a very beautiful and a mature way. Jai Ma Kali.